Hello teachers and my dear parents, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manju and I hope you all are doing good. So today in this video, I'm going to share a complete demo class, how you can teach your little ones phonic sounds in easy and interesting way, okay? We should teach phonic sounds to our kids as early as they are 3 years old, okay? So now without wasting time, let's start the video, and if you are visiting first time to my channel, please consider to subscribe. Let's start. Hello my dear kids, how are you? How are you all? Doing good? That's great. So children, in today's class, let's learn the phonic sounds, okay? Phonic sounds of this letters, okay? So are you all ready for the class? That's good. Now keep quiet and listen to your ma'am and repeat after me, okay? Very good. A, a. Apple, apple, a. B, b. Ball, ball, b. C. K. Cat, cat, k. D. D. Dog, dog, d. E. E. Elephant, elephant, e. F. Fan, G. 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 Girl, g. H. Hat, I. Igloo, I. J. Juice, J. K. Kite, L. Lion, M. Monkey, N. Nose, O. A. Orange, A. P. Pen, Q. Qua. Queen, Qua. R. Rabbit, S. Snake, T. Tiger, T. U. A. Umbrella, A. V. Van, W. Water, W. X. Box, X. Y. yellow, yellow, yeah, yeah, yeah. Z, 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 z. Zebra, zebra, z, z, z. Excellent, very good children, well done. Now revise this sound at your home, and tomorrow again you will have a great fun with your ma'am, okay? See you soon in next class. So this is how you can also teach to your little one phonic sounds, okay? I hope you found today's video helpful for you. If you like this video, give a like, and if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe. See you again with a fresh topic. Till then, take care, goodbye, and happy teaching.